Hello everyone. So today's our content is what is a constructor, what are the types of constructor, and what is the purpose of the constructor, and the difference between the constructor and method. This is all about our today's content points. So let's start with the what is a constructor. Constructor is a block of code that is similar to the method. Constructor is called when the instance of a class is created. When you call the constructor, that time the memory allocated for the constructor. Constructor is a special type of the method that is used to initialize the object. In a constructor, we can create an object using the new keyword. At least once constructor is runs. Then there are the two types of constructors. First is a default constructor, that is also called as the no argument constructor. Second is a parameterized constructor. That are the two types of the constructor. It is called constructor because the constructor constructs the value to the object. That is called as a constructor. So let's talk about the what are the rules of a constructor declaring the variable. Okay. Constructor name must be same as per the class name. Constructor does not have a return type, and constructor is a finalized static final methods. Let's talk about the types of constructor. There are the two types of constructor. First is a default constructor, second is a parameterized constructor. Let's start with the default constructor. In this default constructor, compiler provides the default constructor when there is no any constructor in your class. That time compiler provides to you default constructor. Then what is the purpose of the default constructor? Default constructor provides to you default constructor provides the default values to the object like 0, null, etc. That is the working of the default constructor. Second is a parameterized constructor. In this parameterized constructor, we can share the different values to distinct objects, and we can also pass the different parameters to the objects. That is called as a parameterized constructor. So let's see constructor overloading in constructor overloading in Java. In Java, a constructor is just like a method, but without return type. And in method, we can provide the return type to the class. Then let's talk about the what is a method. Method is nothing but the method is nothing but the part of the methods. There are the multiple methods. Method allows to you to reuse the code. That is a method, and in a method there is no any restrictions to class name must be same as per the class name. So let's talk about the what is the difference between the constructor and method. First is a constructor. Constructor is used to initialize the object. Then method is used to expose the behavior in an object. Constructor, it does not have any return type. Method, it does not method, it has a return type. uh, in constructor, compiler is provides to you default constructor, and in method there is no any there is no any default constructor provided by the compiler. And in constructor name is must be same as per the class name. Then methods, in methods there is no any restriction to be class name as per the method name. So in this video we have discussed about the what is the constructor, what are the types of constructor, what is a method, and what is the purpose of a constructor, and last is the difference between constructor and method. That's all about the constructor and method. Thank you.